few strands of yarn, 2 colors, sewing needles, scissors, a thread to sew, or the same yarn if you like, and your project you want the pom-pom for. All you need is your hands. Wrap, 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 keep wrapping. When you have enough, move it closer towards you and then wrap the other color next to it, not on top but at the side of it. You should look something like this. Take it off, lay your thread that you're going to use it to attach to your project. In this case, our beautiful Christmas scarf that we made few days ago. Tie a knot, turn it round and tie again. You need to tie to secure nicely and firmly. You can see that you have the 2 colors of your yarn side by side, so this is what we're going for. Keep tying the knot to secure your pom-pom. Something to catch the flop when you snip would be nice. Now go through the loop and snip all the way around. If you have a steady scissors that is sharp, would be very good at this point in time. Make sure that you don't snip your thread that you're going to use to sew your pom-pom. Tidy it up and make it as round as you want it to be. Depending on the material you've got, you can always fluff the yarn if you want to. Attach it to a needle and then you sew onto your project. You can attach it onto blankets, onto hats, scarves as we're doing here, and shawls and so on. If you haven't done this lovely scarf we did a few days ago, follow the information in the description box or in the icon on top and enjoy making your scarf. Go all the way, securing in through the pom-pom and around your scarf, and secure it very well. As you know, I like to secure as much as 3-4 times. Check out below, there are 2 boxes there for you, so click either one and feel free to have some more fun on handsthatrockcrochet. And if you haven't subscribed yet, we're reminding you there's a button in the middle. Just press the subscribe button. Thank you.